She won't.
Put it back up.
She's not gonna stay. Oh, you. No! He scratched my foot.
That's it. Thank you.
Gizmo, come on. Alright, Gizmo. They fighting? Yeah, so far, but...
Okay.
How long is this gonna take?
Make it turn around.
Hey,
Give me the string. Let me see. Hang on. Oh, he is the camera person. Right here.
Jimmy blocking. Go get him. Go get him. Look at this guy fight. Go get him. Remember when Dizzy was beating him up? But now, he kicks butt. Hey, come fight. Gizmo, buddy, get over there. Gizmo, buddy. Let's follow the shadows. Shadow. Look at that one. Timmy, hardly getting him.
Wrestle with him.
What? What are you doing? Play with him now. Play with him. Hey, why? He wants that.
The heck is my... Get him! Come on!
Come on!
Oh, great.
Oh no, I wasn't cameraing it. Hey, buddy, get over here. Mom, look at this. Come here. Come here, buddy. Okay, Mom. Oh no! Keep playing with him, Tim. Get him in the camera. Yes.
Come on, Tim, play.
They tangle.
So, over me.
Tangle.
do do do. That's your dance. Do 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 caca. Do 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 do. Do do do. Tim, remember our name of our scavenger hunt group and the left line's the Crotch Kids?
Yeah.
Who's Crotch Kids? The Crotch Kids. Yes. You. Get out of the way.
Hey.
Watch this. Hey, watch this.
Meow. Meow.
Come on, champ.
Remember that time I put that thing to your thing?
Oh, wait. Let me get higher. Come on, Tim, stop it.
My cat.
No, he isn't.
Yeah,
He isn't.
Buddy,
Wait, he's going inside you.
Hey, Daddy.
Play with him, Tim. You want to give us the gizmo? Play.
You need this. Play.
Stop it! Come on, knock it off, Tim.
Come on.
Watch this.
Buddy, boo.
Gizmo, come.
Come on. Come on, Chris. Come on, Chris.
Tell me, look in the hall and see if he's on.
I can't.
Try. Tell me, try. It's on your tippy toe.
You do it. I'll stay.
Watch this. The boom.
Mom, look up.
Back more. I got an idea. Camera. I didn't hit you. I didn't hit. But he's following me. What? What? Tim, get in the box. Box, get him in there.
Very good idea.
Good boy.
Big deal, buddy. Only in the box. Who's winning?
Make noise.
What?
It's Gizmo in the lead. Come on, Giz. I see the red in their eyes. Start getting it. Oh, nice attack. Go, buddy. Come on.